Before powering on your WUR-COM system, you must activate the WUR-LINK SIM card. To do this, scan the activation card included with your WUR-LINK unit. Depending on the model, an activation sticker may also be located on the front of the enclosure. On the sign-up page, select your plan by entering the total number of WUR-LINK or WUR-COM SIM cards you are activating in the quantity field, 1 SIM per unit. After entering the quantity, click the green Update Totals button. Note, the WUR-LINK plan is billed annually. Next, fill out the required fields. Enter the first and last name of the owner or building manager, followed by the email address, phone number, and organization. In the billing information section, enter the billing address, country, city, state, and zip code. Add the credit card information. In the additional information section, enter the building name and the service address, including city, state, and zip code. The final field asks whether you would like to enroll in the Kings 3 24/7 emergency monitoring service. To remain ASME code compliant, continuous 24/7 emergency monitoring is required. Select the No Thanks option if you do not wish to add this service. After completing all the information, click the green Place My Order button. After submitting the form, you will receive a confirmation notice. During standard business hours, please allow up to 15 minutes for the registration to be processed.